Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Bad Buns, and good morning. I just did an unboxing last night, and went to bed late, so my jacket doubled as a nightgown. See, but we're getting to the unboxing. The coffee just got ready, and we've got a lot to do today, and I wanted to get into this box, so we're going to go ahead and do this. I do an unboxing from time to time. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. This box is from J.Crew, and we've got a couple of little handbags from J.Crew. We're going to try this out and see how this goes. They were just super cute, so it was just something I had to do. So this one just comes in a bag, and look how festive and cute. Just look how adorable. That is just cute. And I was so afraid that it was going to be tacky, and it's definitely not tacky. It's made out of a kind of a satin material, and oh gosh, guys, I mean, that's just stunning. It really, really is. And they have a light blue, like turquoise color. I may be going back to that one. This is really surprising. You just pull the handle through like that, and pull the stuff in there. It's pretty good size inside. I definitely say a cell phone, small wallet, even a full-size wallet would fit in there. It's pretty deep. A beautiful satin lining. It has the J.Crew tag and a care tag. So I hope everybody's getting ready for Christmas and feeling festive. And hope you'll remember to get something, a little something for yourself. I don't care if it's Apple, okay? Get you something for yourself. Oftentimes when we have family and particularly children, that we forget as moms to do a little something for ourselves, so be sure to do that. Like I said, I don't care if it's an apple. Get you a little something, just something for you. Just gorgeous. And I recommend this one for the price. It is just ridiculous for how beautiful a bag that really is for the price. So that's that one. And let's get to the next one. Yeah, that is ridiculous for the price of that bag. This is, I mean, it is a very high quality bag, and I'm very picky. Some bags, I'm like, you know, it's like the styled bag. I've got it basically for a beach bag. That's not one that I bought to care for and stuff, but this little sugar, lovely. Okay, gorgeous dust bag, really thick, nice dust bag here, very high quality. These pieces are made in Italy. For some reason it said that it had to go through customs clearance when it got here in Montgomery. I'm not sure what that was about. I don't know, but it had just been an error on the UPS website, so I don't know if, I don't know. I don't know. All I know is that the bag is made in Italy. Let's get this one out of the way. That it is made in Italy, and ooh, she's wrapped very nice. And stuffed extremely well. So, let's see if I can't. And this is not plastic. It's kind of like a, I don't know, that's really neat. This first time I've seen that. And get this stuff out of the way. And it is a crossbody. Goodness. Oh. Okay. It has a toggle closure on the top. And more stuff. It is a very boxy leather. And I love a good silver or gold handbag. They're very neutral. Any shoe or, I mean, they go with everything. Just very neutral. A very nice pop. So, and I love that this one is kind of a khaki colored interior. So that's very neutral. Go with anything. It has the ever popular accordion style. Very boxy, as I said. It has a J.Crew tag on the inside there on the pocket. Has card pocket. Has a J.Crew tag on the inside there. Of course, J.Crew is a contemporary fashion designer, but they do make very high quality products. I love their clothing line. So, there she goes. And there she is. And she's adjusted just right for me as a crossbody. Love, love, love it. So these are our gorgeous J.Crew bags. I can highly recommend them. I have the, I believe it's the wallet for this one on the way. I did a really good job catching them on sale also. And I will list the description, the links for the description, links in the description box below. Thanks for joining me for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can join me for these unboxings whenever they come in. We usually get right to it. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of and know that you are worth it. And thank you, J.Crew. Turned out a fabulous product. And we'll see you guys on the next unboxing. Please comment and let me know what you think.